Still copying and pasting Excel data into Adobe InDesign manually? There's a much faster way. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import accounts data from Excel into Adobe InDesign quickly and easily. Let's get started. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more Adobe InDesign tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.